Hello students, welcome back to your English class. We are here again in the class as we were doing the grammar work, and in grammar work we have started this chapter noun. Earlier you have done this. We have already discussed this chapter and we have done exercise A. We have done exercise B. I hope that you have done it and you have written the answers in your notebook. Okay. Now we have discussed earlier that we will begin with the kinds of noun. So right now we are going to begin the kinds of noun. Here common nouns and proper nouns. I hope that you have reminded that we have earlier did this common nouns and proper nouns. So rewind it in your mind and begin with me. Read the following sentences. Here we are going to start. Read the following sentences. Johnny lives in Delhi. Delhi is a big city. The word Delhi is a proper noun. The word city is a common noun. See, two sentences mentioned here. Johnny lives in Delhi. Delhi is a big city. So, highlighted words are Delhi and city. Here, Delhi is proper noun and city is common noun. How? City is common noun because it has a name. It is a common noun because we can use it for any city. Okay, whether it is Delhi, Mumbai or Kolkata. The word car and cousin are also common nouns. Now, try to understand this. Like, if I am saying boy, it can be any boy of the class like Ayush, Krishna, Arnav. Okay, am I right? Subrojit, clear? Or Devesh. But when I am talking about a particular one, Devesh, have you done your homework? Subrojit, have you done your homework? So, when I am taking the name of the boy specific, so it is proper noun. But boy means any boy. In the same manner, when it is mentioned city, then it can be any city like Jaipur, like Agra. Okay, all cities are included when I am talking about city. When I am taking that Taj Mahal is in Agra. So Agra is proper noun here because it is specific. Okay. Here Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata are special names. For special names we called proper nouns. Like girl, common noun. Reena, okay, Ria, Simran, these are called proper nouns. Whenever we mention specific names, that we call proper nouns, okay, and when it belong to the whole group, okay, then it is, when I'm saying boy or girl, it means all the boys and all the girls. So these are called common nouns. Here is the definition. Common nouns are the names given to persons, animals, places or things which are of the same kind. See, obviously noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing. So common noun are the names of the person, place, animal, things that are of same kind. In the same manner, proper nouns are the special names given to particular person, animal, places or thing. Clear? Means when we take specific name, when we take particular names, that are called proper nouns. Some more example I would like to give. If I talk about a school, this is common noun. But if I take the name of some school like Rishikul Vidyapeeth Alipur, it is proper noun. Rishikul World Academy, it is proper noun. And Rishikul Vidyapeeth Sonipat, it is also proper noun. If I talk about country, then all the countries included here. common noun. When I take India, America, these are called proper nouns. Okay. Leaders. So all the leaders included here. But when I talk about the leaders, Prime Minister Narendra Modi or the Narendra Modi is enough to say the name of the leader, or some more leaders are there. Okay, can you name some leader to me? Yes or no? I think you are also having a leader whenever you play a game. So the name of the leader will be the proper noun. Okay. If I talk about the cricketers, then all the cricketers are common noun included here. But when I talk about the name, and I think that when I take the name cricketers, there are some names already in your mind like Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar. So when I am taking the name of Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli, these are called proper nouns. Okay, I hope the concept is quite clear to you. Here we do exercise. Before that we will read this. I have described it already. Here are some examples of common and proper nouns. Common nouns, proper nouns. Common nouns, first towns and cities. When I am saying towns and cities, common noun. When I am taking Mathura, Chennai. Okay, proper noun. Countries, common noun. India, Japan, proper noun. Rivers, common noun. Yamuna, Mahanadi, proper noun. Players, common noun. Saina Nehwal, Sachin Tendulkar, proper noun. Days and months. Sunday, days, Sunday, Sunday, proper noun. Monday, proper noun. Okay, but when I am saying days, common noun. Months, common noun. April, proper noun. January, proper noun. February, proper noun. Special days like Environmental Day, Independence Day, World Heritage Day, okay, Mother's Day. So these are called proper nouns. Festivals, common noun. Holi, Deepavali, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Easter, okay, Halloween Day that you used to celebrate are proper noun. Books, common noun. The Jungle Book, Gulliver's Travel are the name of, are the example of proper noun. Can you give me some more example of books? Okay, building, buildings, common noun. Taj Mahal, Red Fort, proper nouns. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Always keep this in mind that whenever you write proper noun, you always begin it with capital letter. See here, towns and cities in small letters, okay, and here it's Mathura and Chennai, M capital and C capital. So this is must to write proper nouns, and always take care that proper nouns begins with capital letter. Next we will do underline the common nouns and encircle the proper nouns in the given sentences. Here is the exercise time. We have done the text. So I think this is second or third time we are doing this because we have already discussed. So I think we should move to the exercise. My grandfather reads the Hindustan Times in the morning. What we have to do? Underline the common nouns, okay, and circle the proper nouns in the given sentence. What will you do? You will either write sentences in the notebook or you draw a table like earlier we did. We made a table, first serial number and then heads, we have given serial number. Next is common noun and after that proper noun. You can write like this. First, second, third, fourth, headings, common nouns, proper nouns. So here you need not to encircle, you write down the common and proper like this. So common noun, my grandfather reads Hindustan Times in the morning. Grandfather and the Hindustan Times is proper noun. She stays in Agra. Okay, she stays in Agra, so Agra is proper noun. My birthday is in July. July is proper noun. This poem is composed by Wordsworth. Okay, this poem is composed by Wordsworth. Poem, common noun. Wordsworth, proper noun. Wordsworth is a famous writer who used to write poems on nature because he loves nature very much. When you will come in your senior classes, you will read the poems of Wordsworth and about the Wordsworth, the great poet. Here on 5th, the giraffe has spots on its body. See? The giraffe has spots on its body. Spots, common noun. Body, common noun. Giraffe, proper noun. Okay. Vivan and Varun play cricket in the park. Vivan, proper noun. Varun, proper noun. Cricket, common noun. Park, common noun. Okay. Or we must include cricket because sports, common noun, and cricket, proper noun. Few schools remain open on Saturday. Schools, common noun. Saturday, proper noun. I will visit Australia in June. Australia, proper noun. June, again, proper noun here. Okay. So shall we move to the next question? Next question is match the common nouns with the proper nouns. Here one matching you have to do, whereas one side is common noun and another side is proper noun. First we will read the options. Options are city, country, river, school, man, girl, cartoon character, continent. Here Mickey Mouse, I think this will match to cartoon character. 7A. St. Francis Convent is school. 4th B. Shalini, girl. 6C. Asia continent. 8th D. Brahmaputra is river. 3E. Okay. Then Amar Mathur, man. Amar Mathur, man. 5F. Delhi, city. Delhi. And country, Japan. Okay. And country, Japan. Although Delhi is a state, but here we are having no option. So we have to match Delhi to the city. Okay. Here the new topic, countable and uncountable nouns. So we will do it in the next video. First I will describe you countable and uncountable nouns. Then we will begin. Okay. Write this in your notebooks. Make table like this. Do exercise C and D. Write the answers. For this you only need to write answer. But this matching you will solve in your notebooks. Okay. Thank you beta. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.